Well, everyone, iOS 18.7.7 is such an amazing update. And if you are already on iOS 18 in general, this is the update I'd recommend everyone to go ahead and install. It's very big. It's a very big change. And the fact that Apple is still releasing updates for these iPhones is something that's so awesome. And I'm very much looking forward to Apple continuing to release these updates. Now, if you are already on iOS 18, it makes a lot of sense to go through and install this update. And the main reason for that is because within iOS 18.7.7, Apple not only fixes an exploit that was pretty annoying for the most part, the dark sweat exploit, but also because this update is going to be available for all iPhones on iOS 18. So, this is a very, very big thing. And I'm a very big fan of that without a doubt. So if you're already on iOS 18, install this update. And in the future, when you are going through and installing iOS 26, you now have the choice of either going to iOS 18.7.7 if you're already on 18, or going up to iOS 26. And you don't really have to go up to iOS 26 right now. Since iOS 18.7.7 is available on all the iPhones on iOS 18, the iPhones 16 Pro, 15 Pro, 14 Pro, so on and so forth, this update makes a lot of sense. It's going to be way more stable, and this is the direction I'd recommend everyone to go down to. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.